What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we are working on a special project here. So let me just get this situated, and I will show you what we are making. Um, Excuse me. Alright, so I made this little video here, and this is for so partially this part here in the background comes from the end screen of House Flipper. And coming up on my gaming channel will be Bioshock after some House Flipper and some Kingsway. And so currently what I'm doing is we started out with this image, and it's a little bit crisper than this one. So what I did is I chopped out the big boss and the little sister, which you can see here and here. And I chopped up the boss in basically a bunch of different parts. We got his left leg, his left bolt, I thought. Oh, right. There. The drill, the right leg, his right hip bolt thing, his right arm, his body, and his left arm. Because we're gonna need to clean these up, because this is how we will animate. We're gonna animate the rest of this. Currently, I think the idea is he's gonna kind of be breathing a little bit. I want to see if I can get this drill to spin. His arm might go up and down a little bit. My original idea was to have blood coming out of this little needle thing that the little sister carries around, but I don't want that to kind of freak anybody out. Seeing blood might make it a little bit more gory than I'd like. So just to kind of keep it clean, we're going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to have her, you can see her eyes a little bit better in this crisper version. And I'm going to have her blinking. Maybe have her taking like short breaths as well. And I think that's what all I'll have for her. And then I want to see, like, he's got some water he stepped on here. I need to clean this up because I do like the water here, but I don't want to have to deal with this splash situation. And so what we're gonna do is we need to clean up this background, because once we start dropping all these pieces on it, all these pieces need to be cleaned up as well. But the background needs pretty much to help get rid of this water. I want to see if I can get this checkered situation. Well, maybe this water here. So we're going to try using patch tool. Whoops. How do I want to do this? I've not used this tool before. Let me take a look at it here. Select. Oh, you select the area that you want to change. Okay. So we want to change kind of like this area for now. Oh, right. That's a little bit better. All right, so we're going to basically just be, I think we're going to select this portion out. Try to select over here. Yeah. Maybe take it slower. I like this area here. It's dark. And it needs to kind of take over this whole situation here. So we'll kind of go something like that. We'll go if we can select this a little bit. Take that in. It's a little bit cleaner, right? This is fine. So what we want to do here is, I do want to keep this reflection, but I can do that myself. I think we just have to keep walking these parts down. So let's select this. Oops. Select this part. Let's go ahead and select this part. So that's good. This one here. Take there. This one here. Go there. And then we'll take this. Move it over here. Control D that. Doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of a ripple going on here. So what we'll do is I think we just gotta go like this. It's not bad. This section here gets moved to there. Yeah, this is working out pretty good. Here's what we can try. So select this portion here. No. More like here. Or, yeah, I think that's fine. Why won't it do it now? Does it need to be bigger? Did I hit the wrong part? Is it destination? Still not doing anything. Is it the diffusion? Uh-oh. Audio's breaking. Alright, we're going to stop the recording here for now. So basically what I'm going to do here is just be removing this background. Basically, I want to take this smoke and I kind of want to get it all the way out here to cover up this leg just to get rid of kind of these little droplets of water. And I want to work this floor into about that section. And then maybe even work out the little sister here out of this. Maybe a little bit of the edging around the Big Daddy, just because when he's bobbing up and down as he's like breathing or whatever, there's going to be some parts of the background that need to be revealed. And so that's what we want to do, is we want to clean up those spots. But my audio's kind of messing up, so let's go ahead and stop for now, and then we'll get back to it here in a little bit.